Hi, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 18th of December, 2023. We're going to talk about Stellar real quick, give you all the update on the market for this particular cryptocurrency. You guys can see that our last idea for Stellar was for the market to go lower, and for the most part, it hasn't gotten lower. It did go higher in price, but it only came to this sell zone that we talked about on our last video, which was on the 23rd of November. Okay, so I'm not really too concerned that the market did go up in Stellar because it only went to this level that we talked about, saying that this is where selling pressure was going to increase. And you guys can see on December the 9th, 10th, and the 11th is when that selling did increase and the market did go down. So we're still pretty much in line with our original idea that Stellar was going to go lower in price. It just took the market a while for us to actually see this come to fruition. So let me go ahead and change this particular sell zone up real quick, change the color. And currently I'm not going to change my price prediction because that rejection in the market is still up here at this sell zone, 13 cents to 13.5 cents, still lets me know that we are accurate in our idea that Stellar is weak, that the market is still poised to go lower. Now, one thing I will give you, if you're a buyer in the market in Stellar, is that yes, buyers has supported price or held price right around here. So that can still happen. Like even at the price action today, look at the market in Stellar. It is trying to hold down here where these buyers last supported price. So I'm not crazy. I can understand that this can be a support price in the market instead of could go higher from here. I get it. But let's see what the chart looks like on a weekly time frame. So let's go look at this on the weekly chart for Stellar. So here it is on the weekly time frame. So even though we may see price in Stellar hold support momentarily around 12 cents, this weekly chart is still reflecting weakness though on a longer term time frame. Take a look at this on the 2 weeks. This is the 2 weekly chart in the market in Stellar, and the price still looks weak. These two weekly price bars in Stellar is telling me that every time the market hits this sell zone, price gets weak and goes lower. So now what we need to see is buyers step in and hold price to support price around 11 cents or 12 cents. That's the next idea that we need to see come to fruition to say, well, maybe the market in Stellar is not that weak. We're going to change our price prediction and look for the market to go higher. That is yet to be determined though. Here it is on the 3 weeks. This is the last week before this 3 weekly price bar prints. And right now, if today was the last day of the 3 weeks, I would definitely be looking for the market Stellar to go down still. That's how weak that 3 weekly price bar looks right now. Here it is on the 5. Okay, take a look at Stellar real quick on the monthly chart. This is what happened last month in the month of November. Okay. And now we're definitely still seeing the selling hit the market in Stellar. So all in all, I think our price prediction is still on point. The market is just taking it a while for it to actually hit some of our TP targets. I'm not sure where our targets were at. I would recommend that you guys go back to the video on November 23rd. It is in the playlist to see where those targets are at. I can see it though, and I want you all to see it too. This can still be maintained for support, either here for buyers or right here. Okay, which takes us into our potential profit areas. So maybe we might need to take some off the table at these two zones, these two buy zones down there. But from a longer term time frame, I'm still going to hold 11 cents, maybe even down there towards 10.5 cents ultimately for Stellar. So I'm not going to change my price prediction. Just wanted to come in and update you all as to what we've seen thus far since our price prediction on December the 3rd. I'm sorry, November 23rd. To now. So I'm just going to extend the price prediction over a little bit because I still suspect that the market is going to go lower in Stellar. That's it. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.